Today I'm going to teach you guys how to do some beginner-friendly goth makeup. This one's for all my baby bats. First thing that you're going to need, and honestly just an essential for goth makeup, is a plain black eye pencil. This cream gel liner from ColourPop in the black shade is my go-to. I'm going to start by filling in my bottom waterline, which is this pink line below your eyeball. I love this eyeliner pencil because it's so creamy and blendable and it just goes on so easily. Now I'm going to take this pencil and I'm going to line my entire eyeball along the lash line. Apply that to the lower lash line, working back and forth like so. We're going to do the same exact thing to the top. The best part about this is that even if it's not perfect, we're going to go back in and blend it anyway, so it doesn't really matter that much. Taking a small pencil brush, we're going to go in and blend all of this out. We're going to blend it exactly how we applied it. Place that brush right on top of the liner, and with that same back and forth motion, with a light hand, we are just going to blend that out. And repeat that on the top. Get yourself an eyeshadow palette that has a nice light gray shade. I'm using this color here. This is the Lost Signal palette from Makeup a Murder. Taking a small blending brush that looks a little something like this, we're going to dip into that shade. To loosen up that black, first we're going to start by using that same back and forth sweeping motion. Same on top. Grab some more of that light gray on your brush, and now we're going to do the same exact thing, except I'm going to work in little circles. You can definitely leave it like this if you're happy with it, but I'm going to go back in and kind of reestablish the black eyeliner. When you're doing a lot of eyeshadow blending, sometimes things can get a little bit patchy, so especially when you're working with any sort of black makeup products, there's a lot of reapplication. Now find yourself a slightly bigger, fluffier blending brush, and we're going to do one final blend. So same thing. The first time, I'm just working back and forth, then adding in that circular motion. I'm going to do a few layers of mascara on both the top and the bottom because I kind of want it to have like that spidery look. I'm putting on these subtle lashes so that we can enhance the look, not cover it. Give that lash glue a good 30 to 45 seconds to dry down and get tacky, and then I'm going to take it and just place it on top of my natural lash, using the tweezers to combine my natural lashes with the fake ones. Carefully. A little glittery highlight on the brow bone. For the lips, black lipstick is the obvious choice, but I also love like a super dark purple or a super dark red. Here's the shade that I decided on. I'm thinking about making a video going over like some good beginner products to start with, so if you want to see that, let me know.